How to fix Discord mobile notification. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Discord mobile notification. To fix Discord mobile notification, you want to follow these steps. First thing first, you have to enable notification on your phone. So open up your settings on your device and go to apps section. Here you want to make sure to click on see all apps and locate Discord on your device. So here it is. Click on notification and make sure to toggle the button for notification as well. So once you've enabled notification, next what you could also do is, if the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure to disable do not disturb. Sometimes it could be that you've enabled do not disturb mode, and that is why you're having such issue or not able to receive notification. Now likewise, other than that, what you could also do is try restarting your device or try checking your internet connection. That can also be able to fix the issue. Despite all that, if nothing works out, then the alternative or the last alternative or the solution is to simply uninstall Discord and then reinstall it at the same time, restart your device, and that's going to definitely help you out fix Discord mobile notification. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.